Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the new OPPO Reno8 T 5G. So this phone was launched globally on February 1st, but it will be launching in Kenya on February 16th. And it's the successor to the Reno8 5G from last year. And here's the Reno8 5G. I've been using it since then. But this is the Reno8 T 5G. So it will be available from the 16th, and the price will be anywhere between 40 to 50,000 Kenya shillings. So let's get to the unboxing. So as you can see, some of the key specifications are on the box, but let's get to the phone itself. When you open the box, you can see just the normal user information and guide. So let's see what we get in here. So there it is. We do have the SIM ejector tool. There you have it, the SIM ejector tool. And here is the quick guide. So you're going to need that if you're buying this phone. And the safety guide. And we do have a back cover provided for free. So let's put all those aside and to get to the phone. So there it is. I do have the one that OPPO is calling Sunshine Gold. The phone was provided to me by OPPO, so thanks to them for providing the phone for the review. And here is the wall adapter that supports 67 watt fast charging. The phone's battery is around 4800 milliamp hour. So that's going to be charging it quite fast, 67 watt. And here is the USB-C cable. Put all that aside and put the box aside. And as you can see, some of the key specifications, we do have 120 Hz display. This is a 6.7 inch display with 120 Hz refresh rate. We have a 108 megapixel main camera, 67 watt super VOOC charging, and up to 8 GB of extended RAM. And as you can see, that is the Sunshine Gold. You can see the gradient. It actually looks nice. It feels light compared to the Reno8. So here's the Reno8. This is the Reno8 T. And the front is a bit curved. Front is curved. The display is curved, so you can see that. Slight curve. And the back we do have the 108 megapixel main camera. And also a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel microscope lens. But the main one is 108 megapixel. As for the front of the display, the main one is a 32 megapixel. The back can shoot up to 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. So let's switch it on. The phone comes with Android 13 with ColorOS 13 and Snapdragon 695 processor and the Adreno 619 GPU. It also comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage. The one I have has 256 GB of storage. So this is an AMOLED display, and let's get through the sign up process. As you can see, the curve on the display, it actually feels nice on the hand, and I can easily use it with one hand, even though it's a 6.7 inch display. Look at that display. Looks really good, and the curves are not as pronounced, but they feel really nice. Reno8 5G. Let's see. Not that big of a difference. But this feels much better. So I'll be using the phone for the next 2 weeks or so, and I'll be sharing my full review on that. On the description below, I'll leave some of the links that you can use to see the full specifications, where you can buy it, and follow us on social media. And even with the review, when I'm done with the review, I'll post it the link in the description. So thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.